Today we're gonna talk about a particular scenario in the politic markets. And actually I found a case that is kind of interesting, but I think there are like thousands of cases like that you can play with arbitrage. So for instance, when we go to Polymarket and let's say we have selected the next attorney general as a market. And as you can see here, the leading are Lee Zeldin, Tom Blanche, no announcement, whatever, but we have certain outcomes of a certain percentage. And then we have Ron DeSantis, which has only 1% of probability, meaning like no one is actually betting that Ron's going to become the next attorney general. And if we talk about the what happened during the time period, we can see that it just like stays there. It doesn't change much. It rose to 3.5% for the outcome, but basically it's located in one. But if we go to the same market on Kalshi, who will be Trump's next attorney general, and we find that currently there was a spike of information spike. And actually, while I'm recording the video, when I started recording the video, the percentage was 9, meaning that Kalshi's market has reacted so some kind of news and that pushed Ron DeSantis up to 25%. And this case is actually not maybe the most visualized or the best ever, but it gives you an essence that for the same market on different platforms, there could be different activities and the prices could be different. We can also actually see what are the chances for the top two. So for instance, Lee at 41, Todd at 29. What does Polymarket say? Lee at 42, Todd at 28. Basically the same thing. But if there will be a gap of 5 to, I don't know, like 6%, it's already a spread worth to capitalize on. But right now we're doing it manually, and actually we're comparing Kalshi and Polymarket. But in order to gain advantage over arbitrage, cross-platform arbitrage, a tooling needs to be introduced. So you can see the same numbers for different markets all across the platforms. And actually, one of the tools I have discovered is called Predictify. And what is Predictify in essence? It's an aggregator that allows you to see all the prices and all the markets from all the prediction markets on the same platform. And actually, they have also an arbitrage opportunity that is a paid function. I'm not going to show it or endorse it, but they have some kind of a tool that will help you to place those bets and win from arbitrage. But today we're talking about theory. So in theory, like what we need to understand is that when we go to analytics, there's not just Polymarket and Kalshi. There are more platforms like, for instance, Predicted, Opinion, ForecastX, Rain, Limitless, Myriad, you name it. And with more and more time, there'll be more and more market participants and prediction markets appearing, which means that there will be more opportunities for cross-platform arbitrage.